Hey guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. My name is Rukia Laltia for those who joined my channel, and today we'll be making this delicious lemon honey lamb chops. Like, oh my goodness, like these lamb chops, they were so tasty. So without further any ado, let's begin with this recipe. So the first step, make sure you've washed and pat dry your lamb chops thoroughly. Then you sprinkle some salt to taste, black pepper, garlic powder, or you can just use the fresh garlic. Then you're going to sprinkle some rosemary, some parsley, and you're going to add approximately 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, and lastly some olive oil, approximately 3 tablespoons. Then wrap the spices with the lamb chops very well, then cover and let them to marinate for approximately 1 to 2 hours or the whole day. That's up to you. After marination or after the spices have soaked in with the lamb chops, it's high time to cook our lamb chops. Melt some butter, and once hot, you'll add the lamb chops and cook them for a few minutes on both sides. Do not overcook them, and once slightly cooked and golden brown like so, remove them from the heat and place them on a plate. And lastly, we're going to make our lemon honey sauce to drizzle into those lamb chops. You're going to melt some butter, then add some parsley, add some paprika powder, salt to taste, black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic, like enough garlic guys. Then squeeze 1 lime or lemon, and lastly you're going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Then mix everything well and cook for approximately 3 minutes, and our lemon honey sauce is ready. And yes, this is the interesting part. You just want to soak those lamb chops with this lemon honey sauce. Oh my goodness, like these lamb chops were super tasty, super tender. Like from a scale to 1 to 10, like I'll just give them a 10 because they were super tasty. And I just served these lamb chops with these mashed potatoes. Oh my goodness, like it slaps so hard. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe, and if you've enjoyed, please kindly do give this video a big thumbs up, do subscribe and follow me on all my social media platforms. I use Rukia Laltia, and see you next time. Bye bye.